Today, guys, we're having BBQ chicken.
Yes.
Korean fried chicken. So this is what we're eating
I'm
tonight.
so hungry. I'm from a photo shoot. Like you can see, I have my makeup on. Baby,
There's some pickled radish in the
I
bowl.
look like a. Oh my god. I look like a clown, but in a good way. I really love this makeup. Look, guys, look. It's solving. It's.
I'm hungry, baby.
I know that's why you don't wanna.
I'm salivating.
I don't know even if you notice my makeup.
No?
This boy is so hungry. Like he cannot spend a day without food.
So we're having half.
Oh yes.
This is the golden olive chicken. The other half is with sauce.
Can I go bring sauces, baby?
No?
Can we put on the table?
Yeah.
Oh. Yummy.
Ooh.
It's a lot of food.
Yeah.
And look. Oh.
I don't like that one.
Tteokbokki. Let me give you. I know you're hungry.
This one is soft. But usually I'm not a tteokbokki enjoyer.
Enjoy.
Let's show some of the food for a good presentation.
Yes. So this is what we were dealing with.
It's really good.
No, that I've seen already.
So we should start biting.
Yeah.
What about the pickled radish?
Unless you're going, I'm not going.
Going for a cup?
Yes.
Wait, I think I have a cup.
I'll get tteokbokki.
I just need to finish this water.
떡볶이 너무 좋아. 아 진짜 좋아. 아 너무 맛있어. I know it's a bit chewy 떡볶이, but it's so good, so delicious.
Oh my god, I spilled some of it.
Of course, I knew to spill somewhere, baby. Actually, did we buy bun?
So much water.
Can I do that, baby? Because I know you're not good at doing these things.
No, I can do it. Don't worry.
Okay.
The pickled radish juice smells like hell.
Smell like Gangnam.
What does that mean, baby?
Oh my god, Gangnam can stink sometimes.
Okay.
It's a bit hot though.
Okay, bye.
Baby, can I feed you?
No, you bite.
No, it's so hot.
I want to try this one first.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So good.
I like the one with sauce. It was so good.
That's why we got half. Because you like that one. I like this one. But I'll still try yours. Okay. Wow, they're both so good.
Damn.
This is so much better than the one we had
BB chicken.
last time.
Oh, no much. Very delicious. Very delicious. Absolutely. You know when I was in, you know, Takakjong. It's in Kamando. Takakjong is very delicious. This is like Takakjong. I really don't like fried foods, but I like a good fried chicken. I mean, I'm black, so makes sense, but I don't like. For bones, right? Can I feed you?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Okay, bone check. It's clean enough.
We're using our hands because.
Of course. How else are you supposed to eat fried chicken? iron our hands.
I mean, you white people have issues.
No.
Yeah, we black people, most time we use, like for me, we use kisra to use our hands to eat.
Okay, but there is no white person that does not use hands for fried chicken.
Then you must use hands for everything.
No.
Mm. Mmm.
You try this one, baby.
Welcome to the Hotel California.
Try.
Such a lovely place. Mmm. I don't like this one much. But this is good.
Mm.
You see? When I tell you, you listen to me.
You win this time. The last few times that I ordered chicken, it was pretty bad.
So now let's rate it.
Mm. For me, it's the best chicken I've had so far.
Mm-hmm.
The first time I had BBQ from the same place, which was with you, like when we first met, it was also pretty good.
Mmm. I remember.
Mm. So it's that time I had it, and not this time. It's just.
To me, this is like, yeah, it's 8 out of 10. 8.5.
Mm. For me, it's like 9.5 really.
Mm. Okay, guys, this is what we wanted to show today. I think the chicken is too much.
No, we're gonna finish all of it for sure.
Yeah. But this chicken is good.
Yeah.
Like, it's closed so high. BBQ chicken, I mean, I think it just depends on who cooks the chicken sometimes.
Mm.
Because for me, I've ever worked in a restaurant, it just depends on the chef. Sometimes some chefs are horrible and they don't put everything into consideration. And then they fuck everything up. So I'm sure this person, I'm sure all the BBQ chicken they make, they don't taste like this. Some are better, some are worse, and
So you're saying we got lucky?
it depends, by the way, because I've worked in this food industry when I was in college. Even when we were eating and somebody, they always ask somebody to cook because they can cook very well.
Mm.
Mm. Okay, guys. We're going to try more food since we like eating.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
for watching.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
and comment. Comment your choice of food we're going to
Yeah, which
try.
food in Korea should we try?
We are eating till our metabolism disappears. No, it's still working hard. It's always high. Like today we are starving. Okay, guys. Ciao, ciao.